Purpose of this video is explain how you would look up a company's financial statements in Excel format from its Form 10-K, its annual report. And what we're specifically looking for here is we want to, by having the financial statements in an Excel format, we can then use the numbers in the financial statements, we can link to them and prepare ratios and things like that using Excel, a good Excel format. So I'm going to first go to the Security and Exchange Commission website, sec.gov, and I'm going to click on Company Filings on the right-hand side there. And here under company name, I'm going to type in the company's name. So I'm going to do McDonald's. Sometimes more than one company appears, and you want to look for the SIC code that you have. And click here on the CIK. And you want to scroll down and find the most recent 10K. So here it is. If you have trouble finding it, you would type in under filing type 10K. And then instead of clicking on documents, click on interactive data. And over here it should say view Excel document. So you click on view Excel document, and it will download for you an Excel spreadsheet that has the financial statements in Excel format. So here you can see the consolidated statement of income is an income statement. Consolidated statement, this is just a little additional information here. Consolidated statement of comprehensive income, consolidated balance sheet, consolidated statement of cash flows, and consolidated statement of shareholders' equity. They'll also have notes to the financial statements and some tables from the Form 10-K, but they will not have all the information that's in the 10-K. This is not a substitute for the entire 10-K document, but this will help you prepare ratios because now you'll have the ratios in a numeric format.